Snatched jawline overnight. The truth about face wraps. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of beauty and self-care. And I know many of you have been curious about a topic that's been making waves online. Face wraps for an overnight jawline transformation. You may have come across videos or products claiming that applying certain wraps or masks can give you a snatched jawline almost instantly. But is there any truth to these claims? That's what we're going to expose today. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, please be advised that this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to substitute a professional diagnosis. Let's start by addressing the most popular product in this space. The Jawline Hacks Face Wraps. These face wraps often come with positive reviews and promises of a more defined jawline. But it's essential to understand what's actually happening when you use them. Typically, these wraps are made of stretchy fabric, and they work by putting gentle pressure on your face. This pressure causes some immediate changes in your facial appearance. First, the wrap compresses the fat under your chin, making the area temporarily appear slimmer. Second, the pressure can also reduce puffiness or edema around your eyes, giving you a more alert look. Third, the application of the face wrap itself stimulates blood circulation in the treated area. This increased blood flow can temporarily plump up the skin, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the jawline. So while these face wraps might give you a temporary illusion of a snatched jawline, it's important to note that they are not actually changing the underlying structure of your face. They merely manipulate the way your face looks by compressing and stretching the skin. Now let's move on to the next category. Beauty secrets. Beauty secrets often take center stage in our quest for a quick fix, but many of them are rooted in tradition rather than science. For example, you may have heard that applying a cold compress like ice cubes wrapped in a towel to your face can help tighten your skin and define your jawline. While this might feel refreshing and constrict blood vessels, causing some temporary tightening of the skin, it doesn't provide a lasting solution. Similarly, secrets like using a jade roller or gua sha to massage your jawline may feel relaxing and promote blood circulation, but they won't give you an overnight jawline transformation. Even some homemade remedies, like applying paste made from ingredients such as turmeric, honey, or yogurt to your jawline, are unlikely to deliver significant results. Next, let's discuss skincare routine. A good skincare routine is crucial for maintaining healthy and youthful-looking skin, but it takes time to show results. When it comes to defining your jawline, a routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun can make a difference over time. Using products containing ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, or vitamin C can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. However, it's essential to manage your expectations. While a consistent skincare routine is essential for long-term skin health, it's unlikely to give you an immediately noticeable jawline transformation. Anti-aging is another popular method people try to achieve a snatched jawline. Anti-aging creams and serums often promise to reduce the signs of aging, which can include a less defined jawline caused by the loss of facial volume. Ingredients like peptides, antioxidants, and growth factors are commonly found in anti-aging products, and they work by hydrating the skin, protecting against environmental damage, and stimulating collagen production. However, it's important to understand that the effectiveness of these products can vary widely, and they typically need to be used consistently over an extended period to yield results. Some people might notice a slight improvement in their jawline definition after using anti-aging products regularly for several months, but it's usually not a dramatic transformation. Facial sculpting has gained popularity in recent years as a non-invasive, non-surgical method for reshaping the face. Procedures like Kybella, which uses a synthetic version of a naturally occurring acid to dissolve fat cells, can be effective at reducing the appearance of a double chin. Another treatment called high-intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU, uses ultrasound energy to target and heat the deeper layers of the skin, stimulating the production of collagen and elastin. This can help tighten the skin and improve jawline definition. However, these treatments are not without their drawbacks. They can be expensive and may cause temporary side effects like redness, swelling, or discomfort. Additionally, the results are not always as dramatic as some patients may hope. Skin tightening is another approach to achieving a snatched jawline. This can be done through both surgical and non-surgical methods. Surgical options include a facelift, which removes excess skin and tightens the underlying tissues, or a neck lift, which focuses specifically on the neck area. However, these surgeries are major procedures that require anesthesia and have associated risks and recovery times. Non-surgical skin tightening methods include using devices that emit radiofrequency or ultrasound energy to heat the skin and underlying tissues. This heat stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which can help tighten the skin over time. While these treatments show promise, it is important to note that they often require multiple sessions and the results may not be immediately apparent. Finally, let's talk about facial care. Beyond specific products and treatments, taking overall facial care is essential for maintaining a healthy and youthful appearance. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water will keep your skin looking plump and healthy. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides your skin with the nutrients it needs to stay strong and elastic. Regular exercise not only benefits your overall health, but also improves blood circulation, which can give your skin a healthy glow. Getting enough sleep is vital because it allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, including your skin. Finally, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can help maintain healthy skin and prevent premature aging. While these lifestyle changes won't give you a snatched jawline overnight, they contribute to overall facial health in the long run. In conclusion, the idea of achieving a snatched jawline overnight through face wraps or other quick fix methods is largely a myth. While some products and treatments may provide a temporary illusion of a more defined jawline, they don't change the underlying facial structure. It's essential to be aware of false promises and potential risks associated with some of these products and treatments. Instead, focus on a holistic approach that combines a balanced diet, regular exercise, good skincare, a healthy lifestyle, and, if necessary, professional treatments for a more gradual but sustainable improvement in your jawline definition and overall facial health. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, knowledge is power and sharing is caring. Until next time, stay informed and make healthier choices for a better you.